We are here at Boston Pizza having dinner. Having a pizza. What are you having, Lou?
Cheese pizza.
Cheese pizza.
With the
Have tacos.
Tapos, ravioli.
and a daddy.
With a full rocks of ribs. But go guys, eat. Enjoy.
Hello, the best.
Say hi, look to your followers.
Mom.
Hi.
Mom.
So ayun na nga, masarap.
Any food review?
So ayun na nga, masarap talaga siya. Hintayin natin si Daddy. Let's wait for Papa to have a bite.
But the cheesiest cheese
Pogi yan. Ayun na nga. Taste natin yung ravioli. Tikman natin yung ravioli. Yes, anak. Sorry, babe. Tignan natin kung masarap yung ravioli.
Pagbablog na natin daw siya. Eh, gumaling down na daw na.
Anong tawag nila dito? Anong tawag nila? Ravioli. Ano to? Try natin tong ribs.
I bit mine so I know which one's which.
Pero medyo parang tough.
Sama coffee. Go down.
Something different. Ribs. Good. Yun na nga, guys. So, ayun na nga, nag-Sharon sila. Ayun o, Sharon. How you babe, Sharon? Ayan.
Oh my god.
Tapos na. Thanks, guys.